Hello, this is Amelia from Thesis Video Tutorials with another video in the WordPress Beginner Basics series, and today I'm going to start on comments. So comments is something that people can do on your site to start a conversation, leave some feedback, generally things like that. Generally these days, if you don't have a huge following, comments are probably not going to be a common thing on your site. Surprisingly enough, people prefer to share on social media or comment on social media rather than comment on the site itself, but you may get a couple, and WordPress has got quite a big area where you can manage all the comments that are placed on your site. So how to navigate through to the comments, there's a couple of ways to do it. The first way is this little one with a bubble on the top of the site there, just letting you know that there's one comment awaiting moderation, but if you click on that little button there, it'll take you to the comments area. Now the second way of navigating through to your comments area is through here on the WordPress dashboard menu. So just click on there as well. And you notice that one that's there as well as that comment awaiting moderation. And the other way to do it, there is another way, is through this comments here. And this will also take you through to the comments area. So that's three ways of getting through to your comments area. Okay, I'll take you through a screen tour of what's on this particular page and what everything does. First thing we've got is the screen options tab here, so if you click on that, it'll be a drop down box will appear, and you've got these two check buttons to decide what you want to see in this table here. So you can choose to see the author or not, or you can choose to see the in response to or not. Totally up to you. You've then got this number here, 20 comments, meaning that if you've got more than 20 comments appearing within this table, it's going to group them into pages of 20. So up above here and down below the table, you will see some numbers where you can navigate back and forth between. So they're just pages of comments. So we've got 20 comments, and you can change that if you want. So if you don't want to, so we can change this to 10 if you want, and click apply. And it means that once it's gone past 10 comments here, it'll make another page of 10 comments, etc., etc. We've then got this help tab here, which is just documentation on the comments section. So you've got an overview and how to moderate the comments. So that's some documentation there, as well as some other links in case you're stuck. Okay, down below we've got the search comments area here, so we can do some search terms and search for particular comments. Let's try and do a search now. So yeah, so we can actually search on the content itself if we wish to. Over here we've got the comments that are currently on our site, so currently showing all of them. We've then got one sitting in a pending status, which you'll see that's highlighted in yellow here, so this is the pending one. We have approved comments, so we can then navigate through to our approved comments. We've then got spam, so comments that we can list as spam, and then we've got comments that are in the trash, so comments that I've selected to place in the trash. We've then got the bulk actions here, so we can highlight all of our comments by either checking this radio button or by just checking them individually, and we can do some bulk actions. So we can approve, unapprove, approve, mark as spam, or move to the trash. So if you have quite a number of comments, say from one person that you're not, they're just spamming you, or if there's someone who's being a bit of a troll who's making nasty comments, you could check all of them and unapprove them if you wish to. And then all you do is click apply. We can then filter the comments, so we can show all the comment types, or we can show comments or pings. I'm not going to go through pings, but it is a different kind of comment or notification that your blog receives. Okay, so it's pretty much the way that blogs will talk to each other, or posts, I should say, will talk to each other, or links. So I'm not really going to go through it in depth, but you can do that, and then you just filter that through. If we scroll across, if I hover across, you'll see these arrows here, so we can filter with the author from Z to A to Z, and in response to, which will Okay, it seems to be the amount of comments that you have for a particular post. So that's how that filters there. We then have the comments, and I'm going to go through that in the next video because it probably needs its own video because there's quite a bit of information here to click on and look at. So I'm going to leave this video here, and in the next video I will go through what all this information here does. So I will see you then. Okay, bye.